This is the Dri Eaz DefendAir HEPA Air Scrubber 500. What's all that mean? The HEPA language means that it filters down to 0.3 microns, 99.97% of the material in the air. So you still got that 0.03% still floating in the air, but it gets, let's just say, most of it. The 500 references, it does 500 cubic feet a minute. So this machine, like for instance a 10 by 10 by 10 room is 10 by 10 is 10, or 10 times 10 is 100, times 10 more is 1,000. This machine will filter 500 cubic feet, so it will filter in 2 minutes, it will filter the entire air in a 10 by 10 room. So it gives you an idea of the volume that something like this will do. The machine's used when you've got water damage or mold remediation from any kind of flooding problems that happen. It's pretty simple to use. It only uses 3 amps, and yet it produces enough airflow to filter a 10 by 10 by 10 room in 2 minutes. So it's a pretty healthy little machine. It's as simple as unplugging this and turning it on to get it to work. There is a give you an idea of the airflow on the back of this. The machine, since it's obviously being used around water, is a GFI machine. And as all Dri Eaz products, they let you daisy chain it. So you can run 3 amps on this, and you can run a total of additional 12 amps off of this GFI switch as well. So you can daisy chain fans, you can daisy chain other HEPA filter units, or dehumidifiers off of one switch. The air filter, HEPA filter changing light isn't something most people need to know about, although if you're doing this kind of work, do realize, or you have this problem in your house where you need to use this kind of HEPA filter, do realize that this filter has 2 stages in it. One for catching big pieces, and then inside of it the actual HEPA filter. The inside HEPA filters on these things are $150. So we directly pass on the cost of that with rental. We don't charge any extra on it because it's pretty outrageous. But you need a very well-made and large HEPA filter to get 0.3 microns out of 500 cubic feet a minute. So there's no real way around that. And we love the Dri Eaz product. They're reliable, they're easy to change, they're easy for us to maintain to make sure we don't have any cross-contamination. So that's the Dri Eaz HEPA Air. It's about 40 pounds, so you can pick it up. You see me moving it around pretty easy. And that's about it. If you need it, give us a call. We hope you don't, but if you do, it's the machine to use.